Hello, my fellow math-hating human. Are you tired of watching SAT math videos and you don't understand nothing? Your SAT math score close to a single-digit score or non-existent. Your brain is mathematically underdeveloped. Then you picked the right video. Here at 800 Math, we are going to help you recover your misery. But first hit the subscribe button so we don't become two miserable people in the same video. In real life, we call this a line. But if we put this line in X and Y axis, it becomes a linear function. The linear function questions are the most frequent questions in the SAT math. Here that point, when the line crosses the x-axis, we call it x-intercept. And here when we cross the y-axis, we call it y-intercept. And we measure the steepness of the line with a numerical value, we call it slope. Gladly, we can represent the linear function in an expression called the standard form. If you want to get the y-intercept from this form, you divide c with b. And if you want to get the x-intercept, you divide c with a. And to get the slope, you divide negative a with b. At last, I want to congratulate you to the first step of mathematical greatness. Have a wonderful day, my dear math-hating human.